starts our 2020 Bowman First Edition one box break. This is number one. Box number one is Friday, May 8th, 2020. Let's get the random going. I don't know what they are now, Chad. For right off the bat, they're going for like 3 to 4, but that was like back in November when I first saw it. So I have no idea what they are now. They've got to be up there pretty big. All right, rolling the dice first. Has to be at least 3 or else we roll again. It is 6, going 6 times on the list. We got all 30 teams in here. 6 times. 1. Reds to Brewers, number 2. Padres to Tigers, 3. Twins to Astros, number 4. Rangers to Rockies, number 5. White Sox to Orioles, and number 6. Red Sox. Let's see, the Royals are in spot 2, so you got Bobby Witt Jr. in spot 2. Yankees are spot lucky number 13. So 2 and 13 are the 2 big ones. There is some other good rookie stuff too, but those are the 2 big ones you're looking for. All right. So 2 and 13. Here's all 30 names. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. 1. Tomashek down to Jacob. 2. Jeff Farrand to Tevin Norman. Number 3. John Mulder, Jeff Farrand. Number 4. Sean Crouch, Jason Jacobs. Number 5. Brian Crouch, Chris Lejeune. And number 6. Good luck, everyone. We got Jason Jacobs in the top spot. Danny Tomashek getting the Royals with spot number 2. Congrats to Tevin Norman with spot 13 in the Yankees. The Jason Dominguez spot. You can see randomized 6 times. I'm going to paste that in and print it out, and we will go through it. Let's hit an auto. We have yet to hit an auto out of, I think we went through 6 boxes of this stuff. 7 boxes, maybe, and no autos. So we are definitely due for one. They are tough, though. 1 in like 300 packs, I think, is what we were saying. That's a large odds. Get this fixed. Oops. All right, we got Red Sox, Jason Jacobs, Royals, Danny Tomashek, Blue Jays, Brian Crouch, Orioles, Glenn Deering, Phillies, Jeremy Hargrove, Tigers, Jeff Farrand, Rangers, Jacob Baum, Mets, Tim Troxel, White Sox, John Mulder, Cardinals, Miles Harshbarger, Astros, Todd Kane, Twins, Caleb Pettit, Yankees, Tevin Norman, Rockies, Sean Crouch, Indians, Evan Pettit. We got Angels, Brewers, and Braves, Jason Jacobs. Reds, John Mulder. D-backs, Jason Jacobs. Mariners, Rob Wager. Rays, Ed Locke. Pirates, Chris Lejeune. A's, Jeremy Hargrove. Nationals and Dodgers both go to Rob Wager. Padres, Steve Owen. Marlins, Jason Jacobs. Giants, Rob Wager. And Cubs, Chris Lejeune. All right. We talk trades here for a minute or so. If anyone wants to put any offers out there, I'm going to get the box open with the packs in line. You can do it this style so it keeps it looking aesthetically pleasing a little bit here. And line them up one by one. This one's a little harder to trade on since most everyone wanted the Royals or Yankees. So, but yet foils of good players are not bad. I mean, there's a lot of good prospects in this. So color foils do well. All right, last call, guys. Last call on trades. Box number 2 will be up next. I'm not sure, Sean. I honestly haven't even studied this checklist very much yet. I think Grant Levine's in it. He's a decent prospect. He's Sam Hilliard. Basically, you want foil or color is what you're looking for. Anyone on your team that could be solid. All right, guys, let's do this. 24 packs for box number 1. We have a blue right off the bat. A blue. There's Adam Hall, Pache, Ronaldo Hernandez, Elio Ramos, Blade, Logan Davidson, Sam Huff, Luis Roberts, Brian Campusano, and a blue, which should be out of 150. Nick Lodolo, 9 of 150 for the Reds. 9 of 150 for the Reds. Nick Lodolo, he was their first-round pick, I believe, last year. That's going to John Mulder. Pack number 2. We've got a sky blue. How about that? Right on the card after the foil, Jason Dominguez base for the Yankees and Tevin. Jason Dominguez base number 1 for Tevin. We also got Julio Rodriguez, Valamont, Holsizer, Trammell, Skubal, Dylan Carson, Mountcastle, Nate Pearson, and our sky blue foil is Cannon Smith, also for the Yankees. Cannon Smith, or Canaan, one of the two. What's up, Glenn? Cannon Smith. You got the Orioles, Glenn, which isn't bad. You got Adley Rutschman stuff in here. Open up the whole pack. Nothing color in this one. Dane Dunning, Singer, Mauricio, Apostle, Pereira, Langoliers, Krause, Miller, Ashby, and O'Neill Cruz. You have the sky blue in this one. Anthony Volpe, another good guy for the Yankees. Luis Gill, Thomas Wilson, Zach Thompson, Jacob Amaya, Bishop Huff, Austin Beck, and the sky blue is Jazz Chisholm for the Marlins. Jazz Chisholm for the Marlins. Marlins was Jason Jacobs. No color in this one. There's an Adley Rutschman. W. Garcia, Hawk, Kate, Cabello, Brown, Daz Cameron. There's a Wander Franco base. Colton Welker. You got him too there, Sean. He's a good prospect. Colton Welker. And Kybert Ruiz. All right, another sky blue here. Keone Cavaco, Balzovich, Baum, Hankins, Madrigal, Kirilloff, Vargas, Riley Green, Nick Allen, and sky blue is John Diaz. It is a Bowman first for the Rays. For first Bowman, I should say. That's going to Ed Locke. Nothing in this one. Hunter Green, Perez, Tristan Lutz, McConnell, Stott, Mize, and a Studio. Sky blue in this one. Tyler Freeman, Brady McConnell, Sixto Sanchez, Edwards, Cardenas, Rutherford, Tristan Casas, Manoa, Joe Adell, and a sky blue of Brian Mata, Red Sox pitcher. Brian Mata. Get some packs out of the way. Another sky blue. Grant Little, White, Ken Smith, Luis Garcia, Adams, Montero, Shortridge, Cal Mitchell, Damon Jones, and another Nick Lodolo. So John Mulder, a blue Nick Lodolo and a sky blue. All right, I think we're about halfway through or so. Maybe a little bit more than half to go. Another blue out of 150 coming up. Marco Luciano, De La Cruz, Stott, Garcia, Andrew Vaughn, Mateo, Anderson, Cole Winn, Hunter Green, and a blue out of 150 of nice Luis Garcia for the Phillies. 64 of 150. Phil's was Jeremy Hargrove. There we go. Nothing in this one. No color. Perez, Lynch, Lutz, Xavier, Cardenas, Rutherford, Casas, Mize, Estudio, and Tyler Freeman. Those are the boring packs. There's sky blue. I want to see some low color. We need some low color coming up. Connell, Sancho, Joe Ryan, Manoa, Odell, Gorman, Varland, Kalenic, Glenn Allen Hill Jr. Sky blue is Christian Javier. Christian. It's going to the Astros. And that would be Todd Kane. All right, we either have a gold or yellow. I think it's yellow. Drew Waters, Josh Young, Little, John Diaz, Asher Gonzalez, Adaman, Matza, Luis Garcia, Jordan Adams. I think it's a yellow. And it is Chris Valamont. It is yellow, 22 of 75 for the Twins. It is his first Bowman card, so that's a good thing. Going to Caleb Pettit. Looks like about 10 packs left or so. Another blue out of 150 coming up. Cabot Ruiz, Cavaco, Balazovic, Cabello, Brown, Cameron, Hankins, Madrigal, Kirilloff. Blue out of 150, Sherton Apostle. I think he's decent, isn't he? For the Rangers. Jacob Bohm, I'm going to say is. I want to say Apostle is solid, from what I remember. No color in this one. Vargas, Green, Allen, Encarnacion, Hayes, Puason, Gilbert, Baum, Davis, and Swaggerty. Sky blue in this one. Ryan Rollison, Gray Lewis, Rodriguez, Tavares, Hines, Nova, Terang, Paredes, and sky blue of Eliris Montero for the Cardinals and Miles Harshbarger. All right, either a gold or a yellow. That one might be gold. I can't really tell. Sanchez, Marquez, Denenberg, India, Amaya, Mendoza, Dahlbach, Pardino, Seth Beer. I think this one is gold. We'll see. And it is Blake Rutherford. It is a gold out of 50. Blake Rutherford for the White Sox. That's going to John Mulder. Blake Rutherford out of 50. There's sky blue. Grant Levine. There's a Bobby Witt Jr. base card for the Royals. At least you got one, Tomaszek. One Bobby Witt base. Esteban Florio, Nolan Jones, Shane Baz, Duran, Bart, Cantillo, Howard. Sky blue of Casey Mize for the Tigers. Jeff Ferrand. That's the #1 pick overall from 2 years ago. Threw a no-hitter in the minors last year. Looks like another gold, I think. Brennan Davis, Swaggerty, Rollison, Encarnacion, Hayes, Puason, Gilbert, Grayson Rodriguez, Tavares. I believe another gold. Xavier Edwards. It is the first Bowman for the Padres. Steve Owen, 27/50. I think that is a good hit. He was 38th overall in 2018. I think that is a solid hit, Steve. I feel like he's on the top 100 list, I want to say. All right, another sky blue. Zagre, Rice Lewis, Sanchez, Marquez, Hines, Nova, Terang, Paredes, Jonathan India. And a sky blue of Marco Luciano. That's a good one for the Giants. Rob Wager. He's one of their top prospects. Very young. I think he's only 17 or 18 now. He was born in 01. So he's 18. He's turning 19 in September. Super young. There you go, Danny T. Right on the back. Bobby Witt Jr. base, along with our sky blue. Denneberg, Grant Levine, second Bobby Witt Jr. base for the Royals. And Danny T. Amaya Mendoza, Dahlbach, Pardino, Seth Beer, Shane Baz. Get some focus back. There we go. Sky blue, Oscar Gonzalez for the Indians, his first Bowman. Indians, Evan Pettit. He was a free agent signing. Three packs left in box one. 3 packs left. Wow, we got a red, guys. We have a red coming up. Be someone big. Esteban Florio, Nolan Jones, Forrest Whitley, Duran, Bart, Cantillo, Howard, Rutledge, and we have a red of Jordan Grossans. That's a good one for the Blue Jays. Brian Crouch. Brian having a good night. 2 of 5. Jordan Grossans. I need to get another pack of top loaders real quick. That is a nice hit, Brian. Grossans was in the draft a couple years ago. Very good middle infield prospect. 2 of 5. Yeah, that card's gorgeous. That red pops a lot. Very good looking card. Congratulations. That is a nice hit. 2 packs to go. And a blue in this one. We've had good color in this box, I will say. Started a little slow, but we've had a lot of blues. 2 golds, a yellow, now a red. Cody Hose, Laura, Sejas, Bojarski, Gore, Pena, Abrams, Robinson, Liberator, and a blue out of 150 of Leody Taveras for the Rangers. Taveras for the Rangers. That's going to Jacob. And last pack of box number 1. Box 2 coming back up right after this. I just got to build the lists, and we'll be ready to go. And finishing on a sky blue. Nick Bennett, Matt Manning, Waters, Henderson, Grossans, Lodolo, Javier, Chisholm, John Diaz, and our sky blue, Aramis Adaman for the Cubs. Adaman for the Cubs is the last color parallel. Cubbies was Chris Lejeune. So a very good box, I'd say. That thing finished strong. Finished very strong. All right, let me get these put off to the side so I keep box 1 and box 2 separate from each other.